Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Another warm and humid day here, and while we've been dry through most of the daytime, I think things will change by this evening. Let's go ahead and take a look. We'll start on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, where we're keeping our eye on the sky this afternoon. All we've found so far is just an isolated sprinkle so far in eastern Connecticut. I do want to widen out the view because far offshore, we're starting to see some showers and thunderstorms firing up. This is well south of Block Island, still many hours away, but you can see a vigorous batch of thunderstorms over New Jersey and now New York City. This is going to be tracking up towards Hartford late afternoon and early evening, and we'll see if any of these scattered showers will hold together to give us a passing shower or thunderstorm. You know, the bulk of the rainfall doesn't look to be until after sunset tonight. So the weather alert for that flash flood watch starts at 10 o'clock this evening and goes into Wednesday afternoon. So that gives you an idea of the window that we're looking at in terms of the heavy rain falling. City cam out over Providence. Lots of sunshine here. We've been seeing a mix of sun and clouds. It's 84 in the capital city, but it feels like 90. I mean, the humidity today very high, 67%, 84 degrees the temperature in Johnston, 81 in Cumberland, about 80 Newport, and the Coast Guard House in Narragansett. Not a bad beach day at 81 degrees. Weather spotter Steve in Warwick says his temperature is at 82, the heat index 90. Robert in Fall River describes it as hot and humid, and Brad in Cumberland 86 with that heat index in the lower 90s. And as we take a look at this afternoon, we'll just be keeping an eye on possibly a late day shower or thunderstorm, warm and humid. Temperatures mid and upper 80s inland, and we'll stay in the low 80s at the shore. Here's that satellite and radar composite, and you can see where the clouds are going to fill in. We'll be keeping an eye on these scattered showers and storms that are starting to develop off to our south and west. The air over the entire east coast is very unstable, and you can see as this front is getting closer to the Ohio Valley, western Pennsylvania, where these showers and storms are starting to break out. And the biggest concern with them for us is going to be very heavy rainfall. And we're talking about torrential downpours that could dump 1, 2, even 3 inches of rain in an hour's time. And when that happens, you could see street flooding and poor drainage flooding in low-lying areas. Watch at 11:30 at night. Here's where most of the rain falls, yellows and oranges, colliding with the morning commute. It should start to wind down later in the morning, but there's still the threat of an additional shower even into the second half of the day on Wednesday. About 86 for this afternoon in Central Falls, 87 downtown, mid and upper 80s on the West Bay. Same with Barrington, about 85. A southerly wind today at the South Coast. That means a temperature staying in the low to mid 80s in Westerly. About 85 Hope Valley, 81 out on the block. Well, northern Rhode Island, mid and upper 80s here, a few spots near 88 at Foster Center, and about 85 in Seekonk. Heading to the beaches, you've got some hazy sun. Air temperature there about 81 degrees. So overnight tonight, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms with some heavy downpours at times, a low of 72. Temperatures for the overnight hours staying mild, and those rainfall rates possibly 2 to 3 inches an hour. So we will be watching for tomorrow morning's commute. It could have an impact on the ride to work, so definitely check back in. The showers and storms, again, worst in the morning Wednesday, but still an additional shower possible. About 87 Thursday, and then hot to end the week.